And when it comes to the sneaker that I picked up for today, the sneaker is oh, yes. I'm in this thing, you feel me? Looking at you right in your face, like, ooh. All right, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger, you feel what I'm saying? Now, another video, another sneaker pickup, hashtag it, throw it in the Twitters, throw it in the comment section down below. More specifically, another sneaker unboxing, and oh my, bro. Do I have a wonderful treat for you today? Do I have something very tasteful, you feel me? So before we get into this video, please go ahead and check out the socials, the Instagram and the Twitter. That's going to be at I'm Chris Briggs and at I'm Chris Briggs 2. Let's go ahead and get the goodies. Now, as you guys can see, the Nike Just Do It box right here. If you guys can guess what sneaker this is, I'll probably give you a shout out in the next video. I'll give you 5 seconds right now. Let's go. What sneaker is it? 5, 4, 3. All right, you got your guesses. Hopefully you came in right. Hopefully you are right. But as you guys can see, I got my buddy right here, my wonderful box cutter. I have not used you in a minute. How you been, bro? You been good? Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and just unbox this bad boy. Oh, whoa. You're still just as sharp as ever. Oh, so surgical. So awesome. Oh, my goodness. Yup. Dang, bro. It's getting there, bro. It's getting to that point where I'm getting too much heat. Thank you to the sneaker god, bro. I really do appreciate you. Now, as I toss the box to the side, whoa, we are greeted with this beautiful Air Jordan box right here. Now, this is an all-white Air Jordan box with the gold Jumpman in the center of that bad boy. And when it comes to the sneaker that I picked up for today, the sneaker is the Air Jordan 11. Ooh-wee. Concord Sketch. Oh, man. Oh. Don't even worry about me. Yup. Worry about these. Oh my goodness, bro. Goodness gracious. Holy moly. Look at that. Look at that. That's just a different level, bro. Now, looking at this sneaker right here, the one thing that I am gonna say is that this whole entire upper, not even talking about the patent leather, this leather up here is not a mesh. And it's not a regular straight flat leather either. It's a straight up tumbled leather. It's already pre-tumbled. So you guys already know what that means. That's going to be great. That's going to be awesome. Honestly, what it seems like they just did is, it seems like they just took that contrasting color that is on the Air Jordan 11 Concords and they just turned that into a whole mock-up shoe. Initially, they only dropped in women's sizes 6 to 12, and 12 equals a men's 10.5. Now, I got on the sneakers app early, and I wasn't necessarily expecting to take a W on this shoe. I was just like, I'm just going to see what happens. If I take a W, I take a dub. If I take a L, I take a L. And I lucked up on a size 10.5 on the women's pair. Now, I am a size 10, so 10.5 might fit a little big. It might. But I was thinking that since it's a women's shoe, and women's shoes tend to fit a bit more slimmer than men's, that 10.5 might fit me perfectly. But when it comes to the sneaker pickup for today, bro, you definitely can't go wrong with the Air Jordan 11 Low Concord Sketch. A lot of people don't like Air Jordan 11 Lows, but listen, I think that they're fire. This is also my first Air Jordan 11 Low also, so, you know, I just feel like, you know, what a wonderful addition to add to the collection, bro. So cool, so dope. I do have a full review and on foot review coming soon, so you guys should stay tuned for that. Now, when it comes to these, how do you guys feel about them? Do you guys think that these are dope or trash? Let me know in a comment section down below. But without further ado, I got more videos coming soon, more bangers coming soon, and all I have to say is, hey, blessings, blessings, blessings. And Chris Briggs signing out. You dig?